In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a free Cloudflare account which is completely free. So let's see how we can do this thing. At first, we need to use a browser. I'm using on browser, and then we have to type this URL cloudflare.com, and then we'll see this type of website. To create a free account, at first we need to click this login button. I'm going to click here, and very shortly it will bring this type of window, but we are not going to log in first because we need to create the account first. So we have to scroll till we find sign up. This option is there. We have to click here. Very shortly it will be opened like this. Now here we have couple of fields are there. We just need to complete all of this information like email, password, and then finally we have to check this button, verify you are human. So here we just need to type the email and password. Once we type all the information, then it's time to press this sign up button. So once we complete the email and password, then I'm going to click this sign up button to create my account. And very shortly we'll see our account has been created. Very shortly we'll get also on email, but before doing this I'm going to press the skip button, and here we see like our Cloudflare account is ready. Now we can use this to host our website freely or forwarding our email, something like that. And that's it. In this way we can easily create a Cloudflare account from cloudflare.com.